Hi guys, kumusta? And ito share ko lang no, tong TP trading na pinopromote natin recently for copy trading with Vantage Markets. Meron siyang 100% and yung YTD niya is 78.30%. So if you are interested in doing copy trading and you want this to copy itong TP trading, available to with Vantage Markets. So click nyo lang yung link dyan sa may bio ko, Vantage Market. So, create an account, then create an investor account, yung copy trading account, and then just search for this TP trading. So, and that's easy. That's easy, no? Yung pag copy trading. So, you don't have to do anything. You just need to fund your account and then copy this strategy. But I just want to let you know na you need to be active then, no? So since you are copying, it doesn't mean na papabayaan mo na yung pera mo na it will just roll over. Pag kumita, you just need to take profit din. So be an active investor. So yun yung lagi kong ina-advise na don't just put your money there and then leave it be. So there's always the risk na magkakaroon tayo ng losses, but we can manage those risks kapag nagte-take profit tayo or nagwi-withdraw tayo ng mga profits natin. So that's part of our risk management. So that's it guys. Thanks so much.